Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the magical world of relationships. And let me tell you, it's a topic that's close to my heart. Because who doesn't love a little bit of love? Now, I know what you're thinking. Ellen, you're a comedian, not a relationship expert. And you know what? You're right. But that doesn't mean I haven't learned a thing or two over the years. I've been married to the amazing Portia de Rossi for over a decade. And let me tell you, it's been an incredible journey filled with laughter, love, and a whole lot of dancing in the kitchen. So if you're ready to unlock the secrets to a happy and fulfilling relationship, buckle up, Buttercup. We're about to embark on a hilarious and heartwarming adventure together. Get ready for some serious aha moments because trust me, you're going to want to take notes. Let's do this. 1. Understanding her perspective. Okay, let's be honest, fellas. Sometimes women can be a bit of a mystery, right? It's like they're speaking a different language. But here's the thing. They're not trying to be complicated. They just see the world a little differently than we do. And that's okay. Think of it like this. You're at the grocery store and you're looking for your favorite brand of salsa. You know exactly where it is. You can practically taste it already. But then you turn the corner and bam, it's gone. Empty shelf. Devastation. Now imagine your partner is right there with you. She sees you freaking out over the salsa, and she's thinking, honey, it's just salsa. We can find another brand, or we can even make our own. See the difference in perspective? To you, it's not just salsa. It's a symbol of your hopes and dreams. Okay, maybe not that dramatic, but you get the point. To her, it's a simple problem with an easy solution. And that's the key, my friends, understanding her perspective. When you take the time to really listen to her, to see things from her point of view, you open up a whole new level of communication and connection. It's like learning a secret code that unlocks her heart. And trust me, it's worth the effort. So the next time you find yourself in a situation where you're both speaking different languages, take a deep breath, channel your inner salsa detective, and try to see the world through her eyes. You might be surprised at what you discover. It's not just about solving the immediate problem, but about building a deeper understanding and connection. This approach can transform your relationship, making it stronger and more resilient. So next time, remember to pause, listen, and appreciate her perspective. It's a small effort that can lead to big rewards in your relationship. 2. Effective communication. All right, folks, let's talk about communication. And no, I'm not talking about texting your partner emojis all day long. I'm talking about real, honest-to-goodness, heart-to-heart communication. The kind that makes you feel like you can conquer the world together. You see, communication is like the foundation of a strong and healthy relationship. It's the glue that holds everything together. Without it, you're just two ships passing in the night, waving politely, but never truly connecting. Now, I know what you're thinking. Ellen, I talk to my partner all the time. We discuss everything from grocery lists to the latest episode of The Bachelor, and that's great. But effective communication goes beyond the surface level. It's about sharing your thoughts, your feelings, your dreams, and your fears. It's about being vulnerable and letting your partner see the real you, even the parts you're not so proud of. And most importantly, it's about listening. Really listening. Not just waiting for your turn to speak, but truly hearing and understanding what your partner is saying. It's about putting down your phone, making eye contact, and giving them your undivided attention. Because when you truly listen to your partner, you show them that they are important, that their thoughts and feelings matter. And that, my friends, is the foundation of a love that lasts. 3. Patience and persistence. Let's be real, folks. Relationships take work. They require effort, understanding, and a willingness to grow together. And I'm not talking about the kind of work you do at the office. This is a different kind of work, one that involves emotional investment. I'm talking about the kind of work that requires patience, persistence, and a whole lot of love. It's about being there for each other, no matter what. Think of it like building a house. You need a vision, a plan, and the dedication to see it through. You don't just slap some bricks together and call it a day, right? Each brick represents a moment, a memory, a shared experience. No. You start with a strong foundation, built on trust and mutual respect. You carefully lay each brick, ensuring it's placed with care and precision. And you make sure everything is perfectly aligned, so the structure remains strong and resilient. And just like building a house, building a strong relationship takes time. It's a continuous process of growth and adaptation. It's not always going to be easy. There will be moments of frustration and doubt. There will be bumps in the road, disagreements, and misunderstandings, and maybe even a few slammed doors. But that's okay. It's all part of the journey. Because it's during those challenging times that your love is truly tested. It's when you learn the most about each other. It's when you have to dig deep, find your inner strength, and stay committed. Tap into your inner reservoir of patience and keep your emotions in check. And remind yourself why you fell in love in the first place. Reflect on the beautiful moments you've shared. And that's where persistence comes in. It's about pushing through the tough times. It's about never giving up on each other, even when things get tough. It's about holding on tight. Even when things get tough, you support each other and find strength together. It's about fighting for your love day in and day out, celebrating the small victories along the way. So the next time you face a challenge in your relationship, remember the house analogy. Take a deep breath, grab a metaphorical brick, and keep building that foundation of love, brick by brick. With patience and persistence, you can create something truly beautiful. 4. Genuine interest and effort. You know, one of the greatest gifts you can give your partner is your genuine interest and effort. It's about being present and truly engaging with them. And I'm not talking about showering them with expensive gifts or whisking them away on lavish vacations. Those things are nice, but they aren't the foundation of a strong relationship. Although, let's be honest, those are always nice. But they should be the cherry on top, not the whole cake. But true interest and effort go much deeper than that. It's about the emotional connection and the small, everyday actions that show you care. It's about the little things you do every day to show your partner that you care. These small gestures can make a big difference. It's about remembering their favorite coffee order and making sure they start their day with a smile. Surprising them with a sweet note, just to let them know you're thinking of them, or simply asking about their day and really listening to their response. It's about being there for them, emotionally and mentally. It's about making an effort to learn about their passions and showing that you value what they love, even if they're not your cup of tea. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone for them. Maybe they're obsessed with a certain sport that you find utterly confusing. But that's okay. But instead of zoning out when they start talking about it, try engaging with them. Try asking questions and showing genuine curiosity. This can lead to deeper conversations and a stronger bond. You might be surprised at how much they appreciate your effort and how it brings you closer together. And you might even discover a newfound interest yourself. It's a win-win situation. Who knows, you might even find yourself cheering alongside them at the next big game, sharing in their excitement. And remember, effort is a two-way street. Both partners need to be committed to making the relationship work. It's about both partners putting in the time and energy to make the relationship thrive. It's a team effort, so make sure you're both on the same page and willing to put in the work. Together, you can build something truly special. 5. Consistency and reliability. All right, folks, let's talk about two qualities that are absolutely essential in any relationship: consistency and reliability. Because let's be honest, nothing is more frustrating than feeling like you can't count on your partner. Think of it like this. You're expecting an important package delivery. You've been tracking it all day, you've cleared your schedule, and you're eagerly waiting by the door. But then, the delivery time comes and goes, and the package is nowhere to be found. Now, you're left feeling disappointed, frustrated, and maybe even a little bit betrayed. And that's exactly how your partner feels when you're not consistent or reliable. Consistency is about showing up for your partner day in and day out no matter what. It's about being there for them through thick and thin, through good times and bad. It's about being the one person they can always count on. Reliability goes hand in hand with consistency. It's about keeping your promises, following through on your commitments, and being someone your partner can trust. When you're consistent and reliable, you create a sense of safety and security in your relationship. You build a foundation of trust that allows your love to flourish. So there you have it, folks. The secrets to winning her heart and building a love that lasts. Remember, it's all about understanding her perspective, communicating effectively, being patient and persistent, showing genuine interest and effort, and being consistent and reliable. Now go out there and spread the love. And if you have any funny relationship stories, Be sure to share them in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. Thanks for watching, and remember, you're all amazing. See you next time.